Hello, welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. And today's bullshit video it's what I've got left over from Christmas. Now, I've had this vacuum packed in the freezer. It's a piece of pork loin, but it was the pork loin and the belly, and I rolled them. So it's boneless. Now, I'm not going to cook that as a joint. You'll see me in a minute. I'm going to try and cut that into 4 steaks. Big, thick steaks. Also, I got that as well. Don't know if this focus is working or not, because obviously I can't see what I'm doing. Some, what is it? Tesco Finest Aromatic Sage and Red Onion Stuffing Mix with ciabatta breadcrumbs. Right? So, we're going to do a pork and stuffing butty. Also, I might put a bit of gravy with it, otherwise it'd be like dry as an nun's fucking crutch, wouldn't it? So, let's start by cutting these into steaks. I want at least a string on one of them, so it keeps it together, you see. I do apologise. Being a butcher, I should have a better knife than this. But I haven't. So, whoop, alright. So that's essentially what I'm going for. 1. That's already got 1 on, I can get rid of that. 2. That's falling off. Let's hope it stays. 3. And 4. So what I'm going to do now is going to get these in the roasting tin, just to season them, and then I'm going to sear each one off individually. So, let's get some salt in there from the baby JB. Salt's in. Get some. You guessed it. Yes. We fucking love garlic in this house. Plenty of garlic granules. And it wouldn't be, we've got to have some black pepper in it. But do you know what? I fucking lost it. Where the fuck has it gone? Right, I've got it. Right, I'm using ground black pepper because it's easier. And that's it. Because what I'm going to do with that now is I'm going to put each one in. Like that. These are going to be hefty fucking butties, aren't they? And then I'm going to repeat the process on the top, but next time you see this, I'll be throwing one of these in frying pan. Right, as usual, you want to make sure your oil is absolutely fucking leaping. So I want to try and place this in gently. There we go. I've got a generous amount of oil in there because I really want to get a good sear on these, both sides and on the edges. And also I'm going to use that pan later to make a bit of a gravy to put on it. So probably going to give these probably about 5 minutes each side. Right, I've turned it over. As you can see, that string, fucking useless. But it's kept its shape, so I'm hoping it will do. So I'm going to sear that one. You can see that one there, just in shot. I'm going to sear that one. The other two that you can't quite see, quite big and thick, I'm just going to cook them as little joints, so we can have little sandwiches with them maybe tomorrow or what have you. You know what I'm saying, don't you? But either that one or that one is going to be the video. Well, them are browned off. So I'm going to stick them in the oven now on 180 degrees. That's gas mark 4. That's 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm probably going to initially cook them for about 35 to 40 minutes. Just for that one and for that one. These will probably take a bit longer. So I'm going to throw these in the oven and we're going to crack on with stuffing. Right, we're going in with stuffing mix. That'll do. Sorry, a bit of a cough. Some butter. You can have butter in sage and onion stuffing mix, aren't you? And it said about 300 mils. I ain't got a clue how much I've just fucking poured in there, but it just says mix it. So, hey, that's what I'm gonna fucking do. Well, there's the stuffing in a flan tin. So I'm gonna bang that in the oven now. There's 25 minutes left for that pork. So I'm going to put that in for the remainder. I'll keep checking it, make sure it don't burn like most of the shit I do does. So, yeah. Right. Let's get this in fucking oven as well. Right. The pork is out of the oven. I'm letting that rest. The stuffing I'm giving another 5 minutes. But we need to crack on with this onion gravy. So here we go. Fucking magic. Let's go for it. Onions in. Where's my spoon? I've lost it. It's over here at chicken stock. Just get all that crap off there. This is what I seared all that pork in. You remember? It's got all that. And can you see that there? I've got some pork juices there as well. So I'm tempted to use that other than the chicken stock. But anyway, let's sweat these down for a second, yeah? Now, a tablespoon of flour. Plain flour if you can. Just make sure you get all that up. Make sure you get the flour, everything. There we go. Let that go for I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. And now we're going to tip all that in. Fuck the chicken stock. I've got the best stock ever there that I cut that pork in. Might be a bit fatty. But proper pork stock. So just let that cook for a minute. I might actually throw a bit of gravy granules in it to thicken it up. But saying that, I probably won't have to. So any second now we'll be getting down here and assembling this fucker. Let's go for it. I've got an oven bottom muffin. The bottom half obviously first. So we're going to go in with pork. It's going to be monstrous, isn't it? That's the only way I can get it on. Then we've got a slice of fucking stuffing like a piece of pizza. Get it on. Let's mould it in there. Obviously, that's going to be fucking dry as fuck, innit? That's why I did me an onion gravy. So we'll get that on top. We'll get the top on. And I'm going to get off this plate here now. Because I want to attempt to cut this. There we go. With my shit knife. Am I cutting this right? I have no fucking idea. Let's play it gentle. Let's do it gentle. Oh. Brothers, sisters, I'm through. Like spilling it every fucking where. The ultimate pork and stuffing butty with onion gravy. Right, let's get down and do this taste test. We're going in for a taste test. This is another messy fucker to eat. The pork is about fucking an inch thick. Got the gravy, got the stuffing. Now, if you're not telling me this is not the ultimate pork stuffing butter, I don't know what the fuck is. You know what? That stuffing tastes like stuffing. The pork tastes like pork, and the red onion gravy tastes like red onion gravy. Although being it wasn't red onion, was it? It was just an onion gravy. Just me being a dumb cunt. So, brothers and sisters, that was my ultimate pork stuffing butty. It tasted like pork, it tasted like stuffing, and it tasted like an onion gravy. What else do you want me to fucking say, to be honest? It tasted good. It took me for fucking ever to make it, when it had been really easier to have beans on toast for tea. But hey, I'm doing this for your pleasure and my palate. So, if you like it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and, well, you know, Snapchat. Oh, come on, people have me on Snapchat. That Snapchat shit is fun, innit? Apart from the gay stuff on it. Let's face it, 95% of Snapchat is fucking gay, innit? It's for women. Snapchat is for women. Because there's no fucking filters on Snapchat that'll make this better looking. Unless it puts, like, Brad Pitt or Tom Cruise on my fucking head. Right, anyway, yeah. And subscribe and become a member of hashtag teamctb, where I fucking, yeah, of course I do, I fucking love you.